For instance, Mr. Weber, why he saying this? Because the V4 said he will be not the chief of commission.
Miután Orbán Viktor cseh szövetségese, a patrióta Andrej Babiš megnyerte a cseh választást, helyre tette az őt kérdező liberális újságírót, üzent Manfred Webernek, és világosan elmondta az álláspontját Európa és a NATO kapcsán.
Thank you, Mr. Babiš. A question in English, if I may. Allies had worried that your election would mean that Czechia would be a less reliable partner in the EU and NATO. Is this why you seem to distance yourself from politically extreme parties toward the end of the campaign? Thank you.
No, your problem that you are just copies the lies from Czech journalists. You know, I spoke with Trump 5 times. I was in Pentagon, I was in FBI, I was speaking to chief of CIA. And you know the result of this discussion? She told me, you are right. And we are patriots for Europe and we want to win next elections. Because Europe is suffering. Europe is not competent anymore, not in competition. So high energies and so on. If somebody is saying that we are not reliable, for instance, Mr. Weber, why he is saying this? Because the V4 said he will be not the chief of commission. It's just personal revenge. We are for Europe. And look at Europe, what is happening. Next June, they should be introduced the new illegal law against illegal migration. And what is prepared already? Nothing. Just statement, just words. No action. So that's why we want to save Europe, we want to win next elections, and we are clearly pro-European and pro-NATO, of course. And I completely refuse all these negative opinions about us, which are just coming from Czech journalists, and you are just copying this in your newspaper.